Have you ever woken up and wondered why you're even getting out of bed? Like you gave everything you had, and life gave you nothing back. You're not broken. You're not weak. You're just human. And it's in those moments, when everything feels pointless, that something new is born. It won't look like hope. It won't feel like strength. But at the bottom of the pit, you get to choose, stay down, or rise up. You know what hurts most? Not the fall. The belief that you belong down there. You get used to the dark. You get used to the silence. You start listening to that voice that says, you were never enough. That voice? It lies. Life isn't fair. No one's coming to rescue you. And yes, sometimes your heart breaks for no reason. But because life isn't fair, you owe it to yourself to be. If you gave your all, don't demand perfection. Demand that you don't quit. Maybe you can't see the way out right now. But it's there. It's inside you. It's in every just one more time you whisper when nobody's watching. It's in every shaky step forward when everything in you wants to stop. Have you walked through hell? Then keep walking. Don't build your home there. Every failure, a lesson. Every loss, clarity. Every hard day, a brick in the foundation of the person you're becoming. You are not what happened to you. You are what you choose to do with it. And today you choose to begin again, to rewrite, to return. Write this down. Today, I start again. Put it on your mirror, on your wall, in your phone, on your heart. See it every day. This isn't just motivation. It's a vow, a pact with yourself. Remember, you either write your own story or live in someone else's. So choose. Now. Not tomorrow. Not when it's easier. Now. Life owes you nothing. But you owe yourself everything. Your dignity. Your fight. Your rising. You're not alone. You're just at the start of a new chapter. And yes, it hurts. But that pain, that's the pain of growth. This isn't the end. It's your new beginning. Rise up.